Got a coat of black everywhere where it's important. Primer. You don't have to prime it before you bedline it, but it helps for one with the coverage, because then if you happen to have not quite enough product, you can't really tell if you're lighting some spots. Right, so time to start bedlining. I use this Raptor kit. I've used it on a lot of trucks. It's very simple. You can order online or pick up at a lot of your paint stores. It's a two-part. So you got this, and then you got the hardener. Well, you got 4 of those. And you got the hardener. So you pour the appropriate amount of hardener in here, put the cap back on it, shake it a whole bunch, and then it comes with the gun. You can purchase it without the gun, so you want to make sure and purchase the kit that comes with the gun. Bottle screws right onto it. You hook it to your compressor. Pressures vary. I think I run it somewhere around 40 PSI. And you just kind of start painting a little bit at a time. A lot of light coats, to me, makes it a lot more uniform spraying. So that's what I do. This kit is absolutely idiot proof. As I said, I use it a lot. If I can't screw it up, then odds are you can't screw it up either. So we got, say, like 95% coverage, and I've only used 2 full bottles, just breaking into the third out of 4. So I'm gonna have plenty of product. You can clean those guns by running gasoline through them, but usually when I break into a kit, I try to like use it for the unforeseeable future, so they don't just have it sit in a closet or something in the shop and go bad with all the heat. But it's coming on nice. It's covering up all the little stuff that I was hoping it would. It's really, for as erratic as it is, it's really pretty uniform, which is why I like this product. I've used it on flatbed projects and I guess truck bed projects too, here and there, and it's really pretty durable. So that's why I always kind of go to that, and the fact that, like I said, it's you just need shop air. It comes with the gun, no special products. Like I said, if you want to clean up the gun, you can run gasoline through it. I just get a cup of gasoline and drop the spigot into it and spray it a few times. I don't know why I keep saving them. I don't reuse them. A new one comes in the kit every time, but here we are. I was originally gonna just leave that and come back and enamel it or something black so it'd be smooth, but I have enough that I don't wanna waste it, so I guess I'll probably go ahead and coat that cross member too. Nobody's ever gonna see it, but the product's there. It's either put it there or put it in the garbage can, so. Coming along nice. And they even threw in a measuring cup, because I was frankly just guessing at it beforehand. So you simply take the hardener, which has enough for 4 bottles in it exactly. So if you get to the end and you don't have enough, well, that's on you for not being able to follow instructions. Fill it up to the 8-ounce mark. It appears I'm a little short on. It's okay, I'm not gonna tell anybody. I'm dumping it into the bottle. Put the cap on it. Shake it for 2 minutes. Take the bottle screws right onto the gun that comes with it. You do have to supply your own air fitting. I don't know how much money they saved on that, but you do have to supply your own air fitting, and then set your compressor to 40 or 60 PSI. Just as many light passes as you can to fill in one candle. So in addition to the regular black, they make a tinable bed liner too, and you can order various colors. I forget what color that was. At the time, it was something picked out like it really made that much of a difference in bedliner. But so they're all white, and then you just add your color to it. First, obviously, add the hardener because that ratio has to be perfect. Then add your color to it. At least that's the way I do it. And then shake it for about as long as you think you need to shake it for, and then shake it some more just to make sure that's all mixed in good. The downside to the tintable stuff, it's been explained to me that it's not UV stable. So if you're gonna spray it on a car and let that be like the top coat or something like that, then expect it to have some fade to it. But other than that, exact same process. Add your hardener, add your color, shake it, and spray it.